Hey guys, well, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So today I want to address a comment that was on one of my last video. The person was saying I am embarrassing the real and true Jamaicans by speaking this um, native language Patois. And I was like, okay, all right. So if you're Jamaican and you don't understand Patois, then you're not really Jamaican. You don't have to speak Patois to be Jamaican. You have some nice, fine, educated Jamaicans that speak well, nice, top class, first class English. Okay? Let me tell you something. No matter where you go in the world and you're like speaking fine English, you ever out and you're speaking really nice and proper, and somebody come up and said, "Where are you from? I hear an accent, but I'm not sure." Right? So you're speaking proper English, but the person said to you, "I can hear your accent. Where are you from?" What I tell you, say? What I tell you, say? You're Jamaican, and it's okay to be Jamaican. It's okay to have an accent, right? Because you're not gonna speak if you weren't born in Canada. You're not gonna truly speak like a Canadian unless a lot of us come here and twang. That's fine. You know what I mean? Twang it up and change it up and blah blah blah. I just adapt to the culture, whatever. That is fine. Okay. But I want you to guys to know that I was born and raised in Jamaica for 18 years. Okay. And most of the topics that I'm talking about or whatever, my topic is mostly Jamaican living abroad, or I live in Canada, so living in Canada, blah blah blah. And I'm going to be talking about my experience as a Jamaican living in when I was living in Jamaica, and how my life has changed, or how life is right now with me now that I'm living in Canada and I am a Canadian. Okay? So I'm not going to forget my culture or push my patois aside. All right? I mean, it's okay to take um, constructive criticism, right? But the person could have said, okay, not everyone who's watching your channel speaks or understands patois. Could you speak more English, because so you can reach like a different people, like a wider range of people, so that they can understand um everything or most of what you're saying. Nothing is wrong with that, right? But we Jamaican, we like to show we dirty colors, as what mommy would say, right? So we like to do that, we like to like kind of just shame people and put people down, pretty much like that. That being said, um I am Jamaican, because let me tell you, when you go to a different country and you do something, do a crime or anything, you think they're gonna say, "Oh, Tiffany from Canada, from Ottawa, blah blah blah." No, the news headline is gonna say Tiffany, born in St. Catherine, Jamaica, even though I'm Canadian. Okay, so never ever forget your culture or try to push it aside. Never be ashamed of it. Be a proud Jamaican. Yes. Out of many one people. Isn't that what our motto say? If you watch my channel, you see that most of the things that I cook is Jamaican. My kids are Canadian. All of them were born here. So of course I mix the culture, I mix the food, and and whatever, to give them both, a little bit of both, right? Because if they go to Jamaica right now, they're fine. They eat oxtail, they eat curry goat, they eat French fried chicken, any kind of chicken you want to get them plantain. They eat those stuff. Josiah like breadfruit because whenever my mom comes to visit me, she bring up breadfruit and fried fish. They love fried fish. You understand? Them a little bit of both, right? Pancakes here with their maple syrup and stuff like that. I mix it up. I mix it up. And I work in long-term care with elderly people, right? And let me tell you something. When the dementia kick in and Alzheimer and all the other diseases, them, what do you think they go back to? Their native language, right? They go back, not just Jamaicans, but if they're from Russia, they speak Russian now. All of a sudden, they've come to the country, they've adapted to the Canadian culture. Well-spoken doctors, nurses, accountants, you name it, right? And very fluent. Sometimes you go into their chart and it says fluent in English, but guess what? This sickness now kick in, and this person goes back to their native language, and now they don't speak English anymore. It's Russian for you. It's Patois for you. Me, I have my residents who speak Patois. Once they see me, ooh, they're happy. They're nice, because I'm gonna be like, Wagwan, Wagwan, what I said today. And that just put a smile on their face. They start smiling the moment they hear Wagwan, right? And all the Jamaican, especially all the Jamaican men, they're never gonna change. They always have something sweet to tell or whatever, and I'll be like, you can't uncle this. You want a nice girlfriend like me? Mm-mm. And it makes them so happy. It makes them laugh and whatever. And sometimes too, I'm at work, they can't even understand what the person is saying in their native language, right? And that resident is getting angry and frustrated because he's not being understood, right? And I will come on and be like, hey, what's going on with you? Why you give people them trouble? What you want? And then he start telling me what he wants in Patois. They're like, we don't know, we don't understand our language, right? But now me come on and me understand what he's saying, right? So and I talk to him back in that native language. Okay, so native language is not a bad thing, honey. Native language is okay, right? Just know when to use it. Use it at the appropriate time. If your circle doesn't speak Patois and you're Jamaican, that's fine. That's your circle. But me, when me get together with my family and we start to laugh and chat and galang, we speak Patois. That's my circle, right? My comfort circle. I'm not gonna go outside and see my neighbor and be like, Wagwan, morning. You'd be like, is she crazy? What are you saying? I don't understand, right? So it's using it at the appropriate time. And I think most of the community that is on my channel is Jamaican, right? I think most of it is Jamaican, but I do try to speak you know proper English so that people can understand as well. I mix it pretty much. If you listen to most of my videos, you see that I speak English and Patois. I mix it up or whatever. Okay, guys, so I am going to go into the store and it sells Caribbean products, so come with me. This planting looking very good. Okay, guys, I'm gonna get fuller. Alright, is this St. Mary banana chips? Okay, what a saltfish. Oh gosh, I'm definitely gonna get some pepper. Okay, because I've been buying some pepper at Walmart and they are not hot at all. So let me get some pepper from here and hopefully them hot. It's supposed to hot because them are country pepper. Okay guys, so let me see. I'm gonna get big food for myself, the spicy one, and I'm gonna get the regular one for Jojo and Mickey. They absolutely love these. Love these ones. Let's see what else they here we can get. Okay guys, and I got these ones too. Because Jojo love chubby. Oh my gosh. I love him chubby. Watch ya. A barrel that who was send barrel Jamaica this Christmas, the barrel here. And of course I'm gonna get the patty for them because they love patty. Guys, anybody want to buy my Christmas present? I want one of them pots here. I want one of these pots when I cook soup. God no, my soup pot too small. This is a buster. Thank you guys so much for watching my video today. I hope you guys liked it. And if you did, please, please, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.